Okay, so OOTD guys, again, y'all already know I'm comfortable. This is probably my last comfort day because this is the last day of my, girly thing. But comfy. The body's the fit. I ain't even gonna hold you. Okay, so y'all want to know how to switch when y'all walk. Okay, so my mom taught me how to do this when I want to say like when I was like becoming like a teenager, like, and getting old enough to know how to do it. So I'm gonna teach you how to switch when y'all walk. And switch when you walk, basically like Beyonce. You see how Beyonce walks? Right. So originally my mom taught me how to do this in heels because, it's really important that a girl knows how to walk in heels. If y'all don't know how to walk in heels, let me know. I'll drop that tutorial too. Okay? I got y'all because mama taught me how to walk in some motherfucking heels, baby. Let me tell you, okay? But this is just like a switch, how to switch when you walk, okay? So I've been trying to figure out what's the best way to set this up to show you guys. Damn, Sassy. Yo, Sassy always be like zooming past the fucking camera every time I'm recording. And this shit's funny as a motherfucker. I ain't even gonna hold you. Okay, so boom. Okay, that's actually like perfect. Okay, so ignore the box on the floor. Sassy. I keep all the boxes for Sassy because like, you already know, cats like being in enclosed spaces. Okay, hold on. I gotta put y'all up a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to switch when y'all walk. Okay, so a regular walk. I'm sorry. So regular walk, right? Regular walk. I'm a regular walk a few times so you guys can see what it's supposed to look like. You know what? No, fuck this. You guys need to see like my whole. Okay, that's actually, yeah, that's better. Okay, so walk, right? Regular walk. Sassy, I'm teaching a class, baby. Yo, she be talking back to me. Okay, boom, regular walk, right? Okay, ready? Switch. Hold on. Oh my God. That's how you switch when you walk. You see the difference? Get your black ass out the camera. Okay, switch. You see the difference in how you switch when you walk, okay? Walk regular. Walk regular, okay? Switch. So what you're switching is your hips. That's what you're switching when you walk, okay? So I'm a teacher. Sassy, leave me alone. I just fed you. She irked me. Okay, I'm just kidding. That's my baby, but she's like, fuck. Okay, so switching is basically when, okay, one leg goes in front of the other, right? So then when this leg goes out, this hip switches up, okay? So boom, okay? This hip switches up, this hip switches down. Vice versa, okay? You see it? You see it? Okay, I'm gonna show you from the back, okay? So, boom. You see, like, you're switching your hips when you walk. Basically this, okay? Switching your hips when you walk, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's easier when you put one leg in front of the other, by the way. Kind of like how models walk, but like it's a lot easier to switch them. Okay, again, so we're gonna start this foot goes out in front of this one, right? And this one goes up, and this one kind of like goes down. You get what I'm saying? So it's just like up, down, up. You get what I'm saying? So that's literally it. You're just switching your hips. That's it. So when you walk like that, that's basically it. That's basically it. Go practice again. Boom. Every time you walk, this side goes down, this one goes up. Boom. Knees bend a little bit, okay? Boom. Boom. Okay? And then the more you do it, the more comfier it's gonna be, and then you can switch when you walk. Now, this shit is sexy as fuck. I'm not even gonna hold you. It basically kind of like I don't want to say like brings attention to your hips and your ass, but it brings attention to your hips and your ass, like kind of. But like that's not the point though. Like the point is just to have like a feminine-ish walk. Like you know how men like have their walk, you know, their shoulders, they go side to side and all that shit. Yeah, like no, this is our like thing for when we walk, switching, okay? So, but be prepared because men are going to look at your butt more. Men are definitely gonna go look at your butt more because when you're walking, your cheeks are switching up, down, like your booty. Y'all can see like the difference when I walk normal versus when I switch when I walk. Like, that's it, guys. That's really fucking it. It's really simple. And that is it for today's video. Like, y'all already know. We coming with the content back to 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 back. Back to back. Okay, sorry, my bad. I'll be hyped like every day. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Guys, I finished Love Island. Oh my god. Whoever didn't finish it, get off. Right now, go. Because I'm not trying to accidentally spoil some shit for you. Bitch, okay, now, like the people that are there. Okay, one, who noticed Sincere's stepdaddy, he's an asshole. Y'all peeped his energy? He's like mean as fuck. Like I understand like he was telling like Sincere like, you know, like we don't treat women like that. We don't da da da. But like I don't know, bro. I had this really big vibe that man that was preaching to Sincere does not practice what he preaches. I could be wrong, but again, that is just something that I picked up off of. What the fuck? Oh, okay. But like you could tell his stepdad, one, they're not close. Two, the stepdad don't be practicing what he preaches. Like I noticed that shit because like I could tell that they weren't close. That is his brother's dad, I believe. There was that, and then do y'all think Trinity and Bryce should have won? I don't know, bro. I just feel like I don't know. I feel like on the outside, genuinely, like typically, they are not who they go for in real life. Like if you see what Trinity's ex looks like, right? And then just Bryce, like I don't know. I think Bryce and Zach. I think Bryce and Zach, honestly, that's what their type looks like. I'm dead ass. Like, I'm not even playing. I'm dead the fuck ass. Like, or I wonder if production told them to do that because that's one of the things that get people, like, riled the fuck up. Right? But, yeah, Trinity and Bryce won. You know what, though? I fuck with Trinity because, like, I know I do fuck with them because, like, they didn't let anyone turn their head. But I don't know. I feel like a lot of the couples, if not all the couples on Love Island, they were literally together for, to try to win. Like, I feel like none of the couples were actually genuinely fucking with each other. I'm dead ass. Like, even Melanie and Sincere, like, eventually, I don't know, bro, because there's the way Melanie would look at him, and like, you could just tell it wasn't there, and they were just forcing it to kind of, like, make it to the ends. You know what I'm saying? Like, so they could win. I don't know, bro. I could be wrong. Now, Anaya and what is that other guy's name? I can't remember his name to save my life. He had a basic name. Ken? No, that name wasn't Ken. What the fuck was his name? You know who I'm talking about. Anaya and Hermione. That's another, Bro, I don't know. KC and fucking that other girl, like, they look so good together, but KC is a tutti. He's going to be a tutti as soon as they step out. And I feel like, again, like, bro, I don't know. I feel like everybody was on some bullshit this season just so they could win. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, there's not one couple that I genuinely was like, oh, yeah, they like each other. Oh, they love each other. Oh, they fuck with each other. Like, no. Not one of those fucking couples. But I could be wrong, you know? But that's just what I think. But anyway, yeah, that's it for today's video. And the love. I can't wait for the reunion, bitch. Ooh. And you know what? Supposedly the reunion's gonna be messy as fuck. Because, who said in like an interview or something that everybody was soul. So why does everybody hate Soul so much? What the fuck did Soul do? Like, I genuinely don't see it. I don't understand what the fuck Soul did. Kenzie, yo, everybody can't stand Kenzie. And I'm just like, okay, Kenzie's a little like, you know, she be having fun. She be dipping and dabbling and all the niggas, but that's the point of the experience. Now, but Kenzie, like, now there was this, Kenzie had some fake moments. I ain't even gonna hold you. I don't know. There was not one girl that I genuinely, like, could not fucking. Sassy is so irritated with me. Like, if y'all saw her face right now, y'all would fucking... But I don't know. I don't think there was one girl on there that I genuinely could not stand. Oh, wait, no. Fuck that. Almeida, Parmeida, Parmesan, whatever the fuck. Her, I'm sorry. I did not like that. I did not like her at all. At all. Like, she was pretty. But then, like... I don't know, like, she was beefing with Kenzie. She had, like, some one-sided beef with Kenzie, and I really was trying to figure out where the fuck was the animosity coming from. I'm like, why is she so mad for? Like, Kenzie let it go. Kenzie apologized, and I think it's because, like, she thinks Kenzie still wants her man. But you know one thing I do fuck about with Kenzie? She's like me. Like, as soon as a nigga got her fucked up, like, really got her fucked up, she's like, yeah, that's it. You a dub. You a dub. I ain't fucking with you no more. I ain't fuck with you no more. And amen, Kenzie. That is the name of the game. Seriously, the longer you stay, the more feelings you have, the harder it is to walk away when they got you fucked up. You gotta go the first time they have you fucked up. You know, yes, sometimes you might fall in love. You might have feelings. You might give somebody more than one chance. But, bitch, cap it at 3, ho. Cap it at 3, ho. Because they just gonna keep fucking playing with your ass. And then they gonna think you stupid. Like... And then niggas love a bitch that they can play with. They love that shit. They love that shit. 1, because it gives them a gauge of, like, how much you love yourself. 2, it's just like, oh, okay, like, so I could do this. She gonna stay. She gonna forgive me. Wonder what else I can do. Like, men really fucking think like that. That's why I be telling y'all. Y'all gotta leave after the first fuck up. You have to. Like, you really, really, really have to. Because I guarantee you wait till the 3rd, you're gonna regret it. That's happened to me. That's happened to me. And I'm just like, okay, well, you know what? We ain't letting that happen again. Like, yeah, but I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.